So who do we have there sitting right in front of that beautiful backdrop of the Verizon building? Oh, I'm sorry, I think it's the AT&T building. We have our associate editor, Sam Butcher, who is busy listening in on Google's earnings call to see if there is a mobile component, which we all know that there is a mobile component to Google's profits. But hopefully they actually tell us how much they're making for mobile, because that would be something that we would all like to know. So Google has quite an extensive mobile presence between Google Maps and Gmail and YouTube and, just Google AdWords. Everything has been, taken from the web and brought to mobile. So it would be really interesting to find out what one of the big three, how much they're actually making from mobile and mobile advertising and mobile search. So let's keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully that is the information that we're going to get.